Hi there, we're the Scholes family from the southeast of England. There's 4 of us, myself, my husband and our 2 daughters who are 7 and 4. We have done a few escape kits recently. The first one that we did was the Sleeping Curse kit, which is aimed at 6 to 10-year-olds and is really good fun. The girls need a little bit of guidance with it, but it made it a really fun family event. And we got to chase around the house and figuring out all the puzzles and solving all the clues. And we actually did that one during lockdown, so it was a really lovely thing to do, to just do something different. The most recent one that we did was the Little Prince, where we had to get the Little Prince back to his planet. The girls could do that one a lot more by themselves because it was aimed at 3 to 10-year-olds, 3 to 6-year-olds, sorry. They really enjoyed the yoga and they really enjoyed doing their drawings in that one. And it was really good reading practice for my 7-year-old who read all the clues that I'd put all around the house. It was really lovely. We'd really like to do more and do it maybe for a birthday party or Easter or Christmas. It's really good for any special event. You can really let your imagination run wild, get dressed up for it, decorate the house for it, add music to it. You can do as much or as little as you like as far as setting the scene. There's loads to choose from as well, which is really nice, so that we know that as they get older there's different ones that they might like to try. Some are more suited for teenagers, but we have really enjoyed using them, haven't we? That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.